check them. Establish the Lord, establish the Lord, establish the Lord. Southwest boys, Southwest detox, be careful. Southwest detox, ha? Southwest detox. Establish the Lord, establish the Lord. Establish the Lord, just establish the Lord, establish the Lord. Yo, I need ditang front,
Engage.
Yeah, it's fine. Kill the Lord. Wait, stop moving around, Healer, stop moving around. Establish the Lord, just establish the Lord, establish the tank inside us, establish the tank inside us. Bomb squad south, west side looking to us, west side looking to us. Lord almost dead, nice kill. Establish the enemy inside, spread now. Enemy looking, defense front, demon.
One blob coming, ha? One blob coming.
Push out west, deep southwest. Hold them. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my club. Big club on me, boys. Big club on me. Nice one. One cup passer. Come push. Defense front. Come back. Come back now. Pack. Come back. Don't overextend. Defense front now. You guys fucking died because you fucking overextend, stupid.
Stop looting. Let us loot. You have looters.
Come back. Come southwest now. We're gonna push them now. Hold them. West.
Enemy at the east side.
Yun. Biyok Alliance.
How many DA?
Level...
They got 21, okay.
Alliance 21.
Yo, how about the other? The barcode. Come northeast now. The barcode hitting. Fucking stupid people chasing.
14.
Dito.
Yo, kill this guy. Ayan, shit yan. Left ang south.
Magkabilang side, ano.
Come west now. Push west. Come west. GA the wall. I want to narc him wall. Wait them here.
Second gate
The other
now.
guys.
Wall in
The other guys.
break break na.
Okay.
Ambush tayo dito, ayun.
Wall in
May rift click bomb yan, ha? Care.
Careful.
This guy's level 14 now. Level 14. Come northeast. Fake engage, golem.
Sa likod mo.
I need ditang west. I just need ditang west. Come southwest, ha? Come southwest. We're gonna wipe southwest. We're gonna wipe southwest, ha? Yo. Defense. Don't die. Defense. Uwan. Fucking hell, man. Every time, bro. Come west. Hold them. Ditangs, you need to hold. Come back. Too late. Too fucking late. Ano ba yan? Wala ba kayong defensive? Takinang yan. Come south. Don't stay choke. Come south. South. Don't stay choke. I told you don't stay choke. Where's the other barcode? Careful.
Nasa west pa rin.
Coming again. On your northwest.
Northwest now.
Northwest ayo.
Careful bomb.
Ditang side to hold northwest.
Range bomb yung east mo. Range bomb.
Ear yun. Okay.
Siege bow bomb. From east.
Siege po.
Putang.
Okay, ba't nasa
West ako
labas sila?
nakatingin.
Hindi ka na-engage
O,
barcode.
someone west, go. Sige.
Yo, I need
Saan
ditang
si Boss
inside.
X dun ako?
Inside.
To left ang west.
Guys, don't stay at the choke.
West.
Defense. Stay out of the choke, man. Stay out
West
of the
left.
choke.
And
Coming
Stay out
east.
of the choke.
Nabi.
Coming east. Come south. Spread south. Be careful dito. I need GA east side.
pagka yung okay, lalabas wala yung defense.
Bam. Come north.
Inching up yung sa...
Come north. We're gonna go center. Just go center now. Defense. We're gonna go center. Don't die. You have fucking defensives, man. Sino na naman namatay dun? Namatay naman?
Wala.
Namatay isa ko? SH. Hold here. We're gonna hold here. I need ditang east, I need ditang west. Sige, men.
Umalis yung barcode, lumabas.
Yeah.
Iniwan yung nasa west.
Spread north. Don't fucking peek. They have fucking range bomb squad.
Oo, Celeste. Kunin mo lang agad yung silver.
Bukas na yung east side mo, ha? Pero
Umalis pareho.
Kasi lumabas yung barcode.
Siyempre, natakot. Babawang din sila.
Mag-ano sila yung mag-engage lang dalawa.
Mounted dismounted na.
Going back na, going back.
Dismount na ulit.
Irion, dismounted. Sabis. Nabi, mahuli ka na naman dyan, Nabi.
Sabi, walang defensive yung mga namatay. Pinagagawa nyo. Maya,
Open world ata sila.
Sorry, halos kararating ko lang
Dismounted
boss.
here,
Bagong vlog.
Hindi ko pa alam yung nangyari.
Gears to. O kaya ano.
May bagong vlog.
Nag-iikutan na.
Saan
Bagong
ba?
fight, we're gonna fight them later. Mayap kasi pumasok dyan na brawl. Tanginang lag ko, gago, ang daming tao.
Biok Alliance here, Biok Alliance.
Wave natin lahat yan. Inner zone tayo.
How many DA men? DA kailangan ko.
West side.
22. Bukalan.
West side.
Stay north now, stay northeast now. Stay northeast now.
H-bomb yun range bomb, siege bomb.
Bigyan rin
kang back. Stay northeast.
Yok Alliance 22 DA.
Ano tong isa? May isa pa oh.
Ayan yung barcode yan.
They're
Stay north. D-Tanks, you're too deep. D-Tanks, Fahim, you're gonna die again. Come back.
Engage.
Come back. Let them push here. Dangs, wag niyo i-push sila dyan. Papuntahin nyo dito para dito sila mag-engage.
Uy,
Come north. Just pull them. Open mo.
22 Disarian
Open mo agad.
You, the clave. Why you fucking peeking, man? Are you fucking scout, bro? My God.
yung iba pwede naman.
Common sense, guys. Common sense.
Yung iba pwede.
Kailangan nyo, kung naman pahuli pa kayo sa akin, ayusin nyo. Just spread north for now. They're not gonna do anything. They're not gonna be able to push here as long as there's no fucking stupid guy pick on the front. Ditang, be careful. Nabi, be careful ah.
Yeah,
Sugin to you.
copy.
Just hold. Hindi yung makakapush dito.
Papasok yung kabilang vlog.
Going sila is
Moving east.
Yeah. Yeah mo, third
Engage.
party yan. They get engaged.
they engage.
Hold. Just hold.
May another blob going to
Small blob.
Hindi, yan pa rin yata yung kanina.
Let them fight. We're gonna fuck them up.
Yeah, they're fighting.
You need to fucking spread, guys. You need to fucking spread. Yo, I need demon, boys. I need demon on their bomb. Man, siege bomb, wala nag-demon, sir.
They're going out, pushing another enemy.
Siege bomb yun, sir.
Another blob
Ayun na.
coming. Oh, I think it's gankers.
Mabibigat na lang to Maldita nandito.
Oh, hindi ko kaya yan buong.
Nangyari na. May update,
8
front?
PM.
Still fighting sila.
Okay.
Wag niyo munang ilot para mamaya. Unahin nating mas mahal.
Mga bomber lang yung yung mga...
Sino natatalo, men? Sabi mo pag may natatalo.
Nasa labas na sila, wait lang.
Mount up na yung Arion.
Ba't nakamount?
21 DA pa rin yung
Sino natatalo?
Arion. Isang
Nalutin na.
Sino natatalo,
search
sir?
siguro.
Nag-mount up, kago. Tumakbo ito? Tumakbo?
They're still fighting.
Sino to isang blob? May isang blob.
Papunta pa lang yan, Boss Egg.
Magkakasalubong.
Pascot nga isang tank yung blob na yun.
Ay, 90.
Yo, okay na. All goods na dyan. Come southwest.
Kinulang yan ha.
Ano meron dyan, men?
Makakaroon. No DA pa rin. No DA.
Ina mo.
Meron na.
Losing yung barcode.
DA na makaroon.
Makakaroon, 32 DA.
Putang ina nyo. Come southwest. Gago.
Gago.
Come southwest. Yeah. Come southwest. Yeah, they're gonna fight. Never mind them. Come southwest. We're gonna look for fight portal. Fuck that shit, bro. Come southwest. Alis na kayo dyan sa list. Kayo mag-stay ah.
Alis na kayo.
Baka makatch kayo. Huwag na kayo dito duman. Sa taas na kayo. Northwest hard. Mag-northwest hard na. Dismounted sila dito.
Naglalaban sila, hindi.
Dismounted sila dito. Tinatakbuhan nila yung Makaroon. Tinatakbuhan nila.
Gago. Takbo. Tatakbo talaga yung tang 30 DA.
Egi, maglalagat ako dito, Egi ha. Pasabi pag kinuha yung cash flow.
May Avaroads doon.
Sige men, bala ka. Come southwest.
Baka south.
Another blob here in Shoal Careful. Another blob here in Shoal.
Hintayin mo na lang kami lumabas.
Saan yan? Juan? Come southwest.
Dito sa Shoal.
Oo nga. Antay ko nga kayo.
Dito.
Baka kunin nila yung castle. Tago muna ako.
Lumabas ka na.
Lang.
Doon ka na sa North Heart.
Ikaw muna kung saan
Magkasama
pabalik.
sila.
Going volcano yung blob, man.
Naglalaban pa
Someone
sila.
fighting at ticket, someone fighting at ticket. One blob is Tangyuan.
Ano is? Zone.
Tangina, Thursday pa lang ngayon ah.
Nataya,
Patik na.